I work as a database administrator in a mega corporation for 3 years. My job is to manage the database, and we have to make sure that the database doesn't crash error and always ready to use anytime. When I worked at the previous company, I managed 250 database from the public. I'm sure I can do the same for your company. I'm graduated 7 years ago with a bachelor's degree in computer science. I worked in a technocom company after graduation and got the task to manage the database there. I have some advantages for this job. First, I have some of the skill required by companies to handle database. Second, I can work under pressure and flexible with time. And like my punctuality and my problem-solving skill are my strength. I feel that communication is my weakness, but I will study hard so I can communicate more effectively. I want to explore and improve my IT skill in the next few years. In 5 years, I want to gain experience in leading a team. In order to realize my target, I will anticipate even greater responsibilities. Your company is a well-run startup that focuses in technology. I like the approach and believe that applying technology can be very useful in the future. I also have a background in information technology and would love to be a part of your company. I'm good at dealing with change. I'm flexible. If I find something new, I'll always try to learn it as soon as possible. I will make a smooth transition in my job and I see myself successful. For me, sometimes pressure and stress can be a good thing because working under pressure has made me learn how to prioritize and balance my workload. Previously, I had 3 different tasks that were quite important at the same time. Nonetheless, I can complete all the tasks on time because I organize and plan carefully how I will handle each job. Because of the planning and priorities I have made, I can avoid stress altogether. Often, I find that stress is a good motivator for me to do my best at my job. Sometimes, I work well under deadline pressure for several projects. As a database administrator, I often find that I do my job most effectively when working to a tight deadline. When I was under pressure or get stressed on doing my work duties, I've thought one thing that the end result I'm working toward are the most important. When I'm working on a challenge project, sometimes I will remind myself about the goals and then take a step back. The will helps me stay calm, positive, and give me my best to my full potential. I like to gather as much information as possible to aid in my decision, but I also consider how much time is available to me. Sometimes a decision needs to be made quickly, even if all the information can be gathered. So I weigh time versus information. Then I look at possible outcomes and the likely result on my decision and make the best choice for my team and my organization with the facts available. For example, in my last jobs, I was present with a tough decision while my boss was absent. I had to decide between fixing a piece of software we had already created or starting over. It turned out that starting over would only take a few hours longer than applying a fix to what we had, and after some discussion with colleagues, I also determined that fixing what we currently had might still leave use open to a risk of future problems and issues. So I decided we should start over, spend the extra time now, and avoid any future complication. And my boss completely agreed with my decision when he returned to the office.